This here actually has several new features compared to the old model, which I had the old model of this JVC. And this one, it says that it charges your phones faster because it's got a USB 1.5 amp charging capabilities. It has a Jvc streaming DJ, connection of maximum 5 Bluetooth audio devices, instantly switch between the devices. Woohoo! And then it has 2 phones full-time connection for your Bluetooth. Has digital signal processing, high resolution and wider frequency range. Time alignment, which that's virtually adjust your listening position to the center of the car with JVC's new time alignment. I guess that sort of focuses it on where you want the music to sound like it's coming from, basically. And then sound lift. Raise the sound position heard from the speakers by adjusting the sound frequencies. I don't know. Sounds like you're kind of playing with the EQ, if you ask me. But anyways, we're going to pop this thing open. And the first thing that we find, also you have this little Bluetooth microphone for, well, it's a little microphone for your phone, hands-free phone. So there's that, and then of course it comes with the little mini harness, and of course it also has the 2 little removal tools, 1 little tool and 2 little tool, and then of course you also have box now. You have your limited warranty card and your, of course, operation manual. So, being this is basically like the old model I had with a few upgrades, it should be a very, very good, well-sounding unit. Because I really have liked JVC for a long time. Anybody that's been watching my channel for a while does know that I did have the old model of this. And being these are actually on clearance at Walmart right now, I figured I'd go ahead and grab one. They're like 68 bucks. They're usually about $85. So whenever all of these are gone, they'll just come out with the quote-unquote new model, and it'll basically be this with maybe some changes, but you know, internally, as far as the CD player and you know the internal amplifier that's in it, it'll be basically the same, and it'll have most of the same features, which this one actually, the face looks exactly like the old one. So anyways, also wanted to mention that right here on the inner lid, there is actually the wiring color code guide. It tells you what wires are for what. Speaker, left, right, front, back. If you want to get to your menu to do your EQ settings and stuff, that's your button. Then you scroll through sound effects, tuner settings, display. You can go to display, brightness, dimmer, auto, turn it on. And it's got the dimmer, brightness for day and night, day, button zone, level, and you can turn it down to whatever you want. And then display zone, 15, you know, whatever. You can turn that level down. So anyways, get back to your menu. EQ settings, preset, easy EQ, bass level, your mid level, and your treble. Then you go to Pro EQ, preset EQ, easy EQ. Okay, so anyways, to get out of it, you either just let it set, or you can go ahead and hit that button just one time, and it'll it'll take you out of the settings menu. So this is your volume, obviously. This is to change your stations, which it's not going to find any because I have no antenna hooked up, but anyways, it'll seek on its own. And then your USB is right there. You have an auxiliary. It is Bluetooth, and also iHeartRadio, Pandora, Spotify. You know, it's set up for all that stuff. It's set up for iPhone or iPod, and it does take standard USB drives, such as this, just a little SD card. I'd say it's I'd also say that it's 50 watts by 4. The thing is pretty loud. Other than the fact that you can't change the colors like the old JVC that I had, everything else I'm good with. So anyways, as far as the JVC goes, this thing is awesome. This thing rocks. It sounds phenomenal. It has all kinds of settings. The only setting it doesn't have is like for your lights. You can't adjust the color of your lights like you could on the old JVC I had, but other than that, I mean, with everything else that it has, it's actually phenomenal. It was worth getting on clearance. I got it on clearance. What I will do though is I'll go ahead and I'll hit Amazon and I'll see what and all they got there, and I'll have a couple of links down below if you're looking into getting a good quality head unit for your ride. JVC, you cannot go wrong. They've always been good to me anyways. So anyhow, I'll have links in the description if you want to get you a nice quality head unit. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching, and feel free to like and subscribe and hit the notifications if you wish, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.